Thanks once again for joining us. This is Greg for Teslafaninsight. The Tesla Semi unveiled to a stunned world in 2017, promising to revolutionize logistics, save fleets millions, and clean up our air. Elon Musk himself assured us these electric giants would be on our roads by 2019. But here we are in 2025, and for many, those promises remain unfulfilled. Was it a strategic pivot or something more akin to a sabotage or of its own potential? Today we're diving deep into the curious case of the Tesla Semi. Just a reminder, if this is your first time, welcome. Please take time to like and subscribe, and please join us on Patreon to support the mission. The genesis, a moral imperative, point number one. To understand the Semi's journey, we have to go back to its very inception and to a pivotal question asked by Tesla co-founder and then CTO JB Streubel. Imagine this. Tesla, the champion of electric vehicles, was shipping its own cutting-edge battery packs from Gigafactory, Nevada to Fremont using polluting diesel trucks. Streubel, the brilliant mind behind much of Tesla's core technology, reportedly challenged Elon and the tech team. How can we justify this hypocrisy? The answer was the Tesla Semi, unveiled in 2017. It wasn't just another electric truck, it was earth-shattering. Aerodynamic design, central driving position, incredible range, performance beyond diesel. It promised a future where trucking wasn't just cleaner, but dramatically more efficient and cheaper to operate. Fork in the road, point number two. Then came the pivotal moment. Around this time, the enigmatic Cybertruck was also in development. By 2019, Tesla faced a critical decision: what to build at scale next. The Semi, with its $20,000 deposit requirement, had secured roughly 5,000 firm orders from major fleets like PepsiCo, Walmart, and Anheuser-Busch. These weren't just enthusiastic individuals. They were companies willing to put significant money down, essentially a large-scale test to see if Tesla could deliver a heavy-duty electric truck that no other incumbent manufacturer had managed. Elon's preference and production priorities. And here, many argue Elon got his wish. The cool factor of the Cybertruck, its mass appeal, and the sheer volume of reservations seemed to sway the internal decision-making. The Cybertruck took priority in the production schedule, specifically for the next available factory build, Giga Texas. Point number four, consequences and departures. The consequences of this prioritization were far-reaching, among them a significant departure. JB Streubel, the very engineer whose question sparked the Semi's creation, left Tesla in 2018 while he founded Redwood Materials, a vital battery recycling company. It's widely speculated that the shift in Tesla's immediate product focus away from the Semi's large-scale commercialization played a role in his decision. The current crossroads. Will the Tesla Semi finally win? Now in 2025, we're supposedly in the zone for the Semi to finally ramp up to scale production. But the critical question looms. Will Elon find another reason to delay the Semi winning? Will he slow production, allowing competitors like Daimler, Volvo, and others to capture the burgeoning electric commercial vehicle market that Tesla seemingly pioneered. What are your thoughts? Was the semi delayed by design or by circumstance? And what do you think Tesla's next move should be? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the automotive world. Tesla aims to produce 50,000 semis annually with volume production slated for 2026. The company has delivered some semis to customers like PepsiCo, but production has been slower than expected with a dedicated factory under construction in Nevada. Tesla's future plans for the semi remain uncertain. We are posting some limited and then best case scenarios of how many Tesla semis might be produced and the potential impact of revenue. The one element of our analysis that we'd like to encourage you to view very closely is the fact that with the Megapacks sales as well as the Tesla semi sales at 100,000 vehicles in 2 factories in the United States each year, the per year revenue for the semi would exceed revenue for all vehicles that Tesla is currently selling. So the potential is there then that the stock price easily doubles, and there's no need to even consider what goes on with the robotaxi success or failure. So overall, we'd have to say that the Cybertruck is a decent vehicle. It's still selling, but at nowhere the numbers that Elon had anticipated. And the net loser has been the Tesla Semi in its time to market and the opportunity to make changes that it brought forward, and then many competitors have been chasing once that occurred. We also have it on good authority that there are about to be some very interesting surprises as the Tesla Semi comes to market in the October-November timeframe of this year, and those surprises will further galvanize its leading position and really force many fleets considering other options to not do so. So hopefully we have the vehicles being produced to meet that demand to allow the Semi/Tesla to get the win. At any rate, next is our health tips. We wanted to note to you that there's something called seed oils. So the encouraging things that we've had from doctors is to stay away from things like canola oil or other seeds and focus on avocado oil as well as coconut oil as well as avocado oil as your primary oils to use because they work with the body system the best. So we very much look forward to your comments on the show. Please take time to like and subscribe and support us on Patreon. Once again, have a great day. Bye for now. Tschüss, au revoir, hate road, hoda hafez, draisis, ni hao ma, konbanwa. And in Jamaica, we say enough respect, walk good. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day, and bye for now.